What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get leads from Instagram over to your YouTube channel or any other social platform. All right, welcome back. So today we're going to get started and I'm going to show you a little bit of tricks I'm doing, a couple different softwares. It's kind of working all together and it's working really nicely in order to grow my YouTube channel, but you can use this for just about any social platform that you're looking to grow, whether it be your Facebook or Twitter, for example, or if you have any other social platforms. If you're just trying to get traffic to a blog post, this is a good way to do it. And it's free. It takes a little bit of manual labor. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I do here, but it's actually working really well. Basically, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, by the way, go ahead and subscribe, bang that notifications bell. And if you like the content here, we talk about how to make money online, drive leads, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, and Shopify. And if you're new to the channel, leave me a comment below. I'd like to welcome you. I do answer each and every comment, usually within the first half hour of uploading this video. All right, so here we go. This is my YouTube channel. You can see here, plus 83 in the last 23 days. I've been averaging about 100 new subs a month. I'm up to almost 1,500 now. So definitely got some systems in place that are working. I don't have the biggest channel in the world, but I haven't really put out any what I would call explosive videos. I do have some stuff coming up here in the near future that I'm going to probably, hopefully get to go viral. But right now I'm doing a lot of how-to stuff, a lot of keyword research type of stuff that ranks. And I'm getting a lot of traffic from that, actually. It's working pretty well. The nice thing about YouTube, and I'm using YouTube as my focal point for my business right now, is that you put a video out there, and if it's like a how-to video, there's going to be traffic coming to it basically for, who knows, could be years, okay? And that's something that you don't really get on Instagram. So I'm kind of using Instagram right now as a profile to basically just get leads to my YouTube. And this is what I'm going to show you in this video, and it's working really well. So if you haven't seen the video earlier this week, I'll put a link to it above. It's for Linktree. I set up this link, okay, marketingmeathead.com Linktree, and that goes into your Instagram profile. And I got my YouTube here on the top. I got the icon highlighted kind of with color so it stands out. Then I got my free affiliate marketing course, my recent blog post, personal website, and educational website, and then the rest of my socials down here below, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., Facebook. And you can see here, you can actually look at your stats. You can click on this button here and see how many people have clicked on it. Now, a lot of people, I'm sending this out to a lot of people. I'm not sure if these stats are 100% accurate. They seem kind of low. I'm only getting like one click on Tuesday, but it's possible, okay? It's very possible that people aren't clicking the link in the bio because people are lazy. So I'm going to show you a little workaround on how to get by people not clicking your link in your bio, okay? So basically the whole formula goes like this, okay? I basically send people, when they follow, I use a program called Captivate, and I do follow and unfollow. And it works really well at getting people to follow you. So then what I have after Captivate is when somebody follows me, I have it set up with this program called Follow Adder, and I'll put a link below to this Follow Adder. It's like a bot. Okay, and what it does DMs to people that followed me. I have it set up to do, let's go into lead gen affiliate. I'm using this on 4 accounts. So now I have 4 accounts driving leads to my YouTube, and it's working really well. And the only thing I really use on this, my VA uses some other stuff like comments and likes and whatnot. I just mess around with the DMs. And the way I do the DMs, this is down here to thank you DM. And the way I do the DMs is you have to set up a photo. So you set up a photo, and then what you do is once you put a photo in, you can edit a caption. Okay, so here's my my photos for my thank you DMs, and you can edit the caption here. And oops, this is the photo. There's the photo that I'm editing. Okay, you can see I put my subscribe to my YouTube, my Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest in here, even though we're on Instagram. But this is just a photo that my VA put together. It looks pretty cool. And then you can edit this caption, and this is the caption that people actually get when they follow me. They get a DM. I have it set up, I think, to go like 20 a day. Let me take a look here. Yeah, so the maximum DMs per day is 20. And thank users that followed me in the last 3 days. And I run this. The thing about Follow Adder, at least on my Mac, it runs for like 2 days and then it somehow shuts off by itself, and then I have to restart it every couple days. So it's a little bit annoying. I think it works like around the clock on the Windows machine. I don't know why it does that on the Mac. Just one of those little buggy things you get sometimes on the different operating systems. But it does work really well for about 2 days, and then I got to just make sure I go and restart it every couple days, and then it starts doing the DMs again. I don't know why that is. I haven't figured it out, but at least it works for a couple days, and then I just turn it back on. So, all right. So let me show you what this looks like here. I got my phone. I got my phone right here, and I'm going to show you the screen here that I'm working with. And this is my lead gen affiliate Instagram. Just kind of started this one. Got 434 followers, and let's go in here. This is what one of the messages. This is the DM that went out to it. Okay, that's one I just showed you. And you can see here it says, let's see if I can move this thing here. You can see it says, hey, thank you for following me. If you'd like to, like what you see so far, peep my bio, okay? And then you're going to have the bio over here. You see I got my Linktree link, okay? That's my bio link, all right? So that's, I'm telling people to go peep that. And then basically what I'm also saying is, you know, I tell people I have join my YouTube and get my free affiliate marketing course. I'm giving people a nice value proposition there. I drop 3 to 5 days a week showing drop value, 3 to 5 days a week showing how to earn online. Just telling people that I have a YouTube channel about making money online. I have a free course. I have a YouTube channel. Okay, nothing too salesy. Just trying to get people to check me out. Now, like I said, so far on the Linktree, I haven't really seen a lot of traffic. Okay, according to these stats, I'm not getting hardly any, and I've got 4 of these running 7 days a week right now. And I just set up the Linktree a couple days ago, but you'd think from seeing this message, people would go and peep the bio and click the link. But so far, it hasn't been happening. So I think people are just lazy. Okay, I think people are lazy. So what I do is I manually, okay, every day, I go and follow up with a manual message here. And this is the manual message. And basically it says, appreciate you following me. I have valuable I have a valuable YouTube channel with videos. With I see a spelling error there, so I got to fix that. Funny. I think what happened was something probably slid in there, and that is pretty funny that I just caught that on YouTube here. I'll have to fix that real quick. Videos. Jeez. Must have. When I had that, I do a copy and paste, and what I probably did is I. You know, started typing something and I thought I was on another thing, and then it came in there. So funny. YouTube channel. Okay. And all right, so basically then I just put a clickable link here to my YouTube. Okay, and that opens up. The way I have that set up, I have that hosted on my marketingmeathead.com/YouTube. And then if you actually click on that, it actually opens up a subscribe link, so people can go, instead of going to the channel, they actually subscribe right there. So if they haven't subscribed yet, it's a subscribe link. And then this is for the affiliate marketing course. So I put a link in there, and I'm getting people that actually reply and say, hey, look, I joined your YouTube. Hey, look, I checked out your course. So people are checking it out, but they're lazy. They don't go to the bio and peep the link from that original message here. They don't do it. Okay, so I think you have to go and do the manual process of putting this particular message in, or something similar, if you're getting them to try to go to your link. Okay, so that's pretty much the system. And then you know, you got to go in manually and you got to delete these. It's kind of annoying. Let's see, you just go in and you just delete them when you're done. And like, here's a guy that's interested in the course. Okay, now keep in mind I have here's another. I use this other profile here. Here's Progress College. I'm doing the same thing. You can see the messages in here are, you know, I got the one. I have the original DM and then the manual one I put in. And I do that on Progress College. I do that on my personal profile, which is Brian Surreal. And then I also got my Marketing Meathead profile. Okay, and the Marketing Meathead profile is pretty big. I think we're up to, Marketing Meathead here. Yeah, I think we got this one up to like 12,200. Okay, so this one's doing pretty well. The Marketing Meathead, and then my Brian Surreal is almost at 10,000, and so I'm doing the thank you DMs for that. And so basically, I have 4 Instagram profiles driving leads to my YouTube, and I'm not really getting a lot of clicks through my peep in the bio, but I do get clicks when I do reply to people with those links right in their DM, because they're lazy. Okay, people are lazy and they just want to have a simple link to click on, and then I have it set up to immediately subscribe. It's not your standard link to your YouTube channel. It's the actual subscribe link. I think I'm trying to see here if I can find that link for you guys so you can see what it actually is. I don't know if it comes up here, but let's see if I can pull it up on on this, and I'll show you. You got to add a little bit of code. It's like a, let's see if it comes up here. So here's what it looks like. It's marketingmeathead.com. Okay, and then you have to add this right here. Okay, so you just add your channel, and then you add the question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. All right, and when you put that on there, see how the subscribe button comes up automatically? Boom, and then they can just subscribe. You want to make this really simple for people. You want to make it really, really simple for them to subscribe quickly, and that's how you get your subscribers to, grow quicker. And like I said, I'm at 1478 here, growing at a nice pace. And as I get bigger and more channels, more of my stuff gets ranked, and hopefully hit an explosive video or two, do some more collabs, I can get this channel to grow a lot quicker even. I'm hoping maybe by the end of the year I see a 10K mark. We'll see if I can get there or not. I need to devote more time to making videos and whatnot. It's really tough during my busy season here and running a business, but I will have more time in the fall, so when I get some collabs going and whatnot. But hopefully you guys did enjoy today, and you learned a nice little trick here on how to get leads from, I guess you could call it siphoning leads from Instagram using a combination of follow adder. I use Captivate to get the follow and unfollows going, so I can do the DMs with follow adder to the actual people that followed me, and then I use Linktree to try to get links, try to get people to go to my social, and if that doesn't work, I hit them with a manual DM and then just delete it. And that's how I've been using Instagram to get leads. Hope you guys enjoyed today. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Check out this video over here on how I won the ClickBank Platinum Award for 2019. Pretty cool.